guys, this is my tutorial for a pastel beach tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Rustoleum ultra flat white spray paint. Just like we did on the Sunset Beach tumbler, we're going to match the base colors to the glitter colors that we'll be placing on top. We'll be using translucent glitters for this design, so the base colors will shine through. So if you happen to get any drips, be sure to fix them by letting them fully dry and spray painting over them. I neglected to do this once thinking the glitters would cover the drip, but you could still see the drip clearly underneath the translucent glitter. Be sure to spray about 8 to 12 inches away from your tumbler using short bursts to prevent any dripping. We'll be doing an ombre effect, so that means epoxy method. I actually use the epoxy method for most of my glitter applications. I find you get much better glitter coverage with this method than any of the others that I've tried. I've already placed about 5 milliliters of epoxy on my tumbler, and I'm now ready to apply my glitters. My inspiration for this tumbler came from a beautiful picture that I saw on Pinterest, but I didn't have a pastel purple for this design, so I used silk and opal glitter over the purple. The purple paint shined through, and the end result was a super pretty pastel purple. The second pastel tumbler turning next to this one has a darker top. I used Barney from Peachy Olive Glitters, which is a beautiful translucent purple with a blue shift. Perfect if you want a darker sunset look. Let this layer cure, seal with a coat of epoxy, and we'll be ready for the next step. For this layer, we'll be adding some depth using mica powders. On the Sunset Beach tumbler that we made previously, we also added alcohol inks, but because I wanted a softer look for this design, I'll only be adding mica powders. The mica powders give off a really pretty, almost hazy look, and it really helps to blend in the background glitter colors. After this layer has cured, we'll be ready to add our clouds and waves. For the clouds and waves, I mix my epoxy with white snow dispersion color and apply with my glove finger. I'm going for a soft and hazy look, so I made my clouds very light just to give a subtle effect. Just like we did with the Sunset Beach tumbler, I use my stir stick for the waves at the very bottom. Hold it at a slant and lightly move it over the bottom. Use the tip if you want to give your waves a little bit more definition and shape. Let cure and you're ready to add your vinyl. Seal your vinyl and you'll be all done. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your pastel beach tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!